Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get a job in Brookhaven. So you're just going to go wherever you want to get a job in, like maybe the laundromat, even school as a teacher, I don't know, or like a daycare, carer, I don't know. Let's become a dentist. Say animal rescue. Oh, dentist. Oh my gosh, I actually kind of want. Oh my gosh, I just saw this. What? Sorry, that is so cute. Okay, I don't think you can get a job in this area. Let me actually see which one you can get a job in. Well, let's go to the hospital. If I can just remind myself where it is. Airport. Well, let's just work at the airport. It's the closest one right now. You're just gonna walk here and you're going to select this one. I can just, hello, can I not select this? Well, you're just going to select that, okay? I don't know why it's not working as of now. Okay, there we go. I think it's because I had my I had it clicked on prop, sorry. Then to change your outfit, you're just going to select this icon. Then just go to like the uniform section, and you're just going to find the one that suits you the most. I'm just going to select this one. Obviously I'm not going to have the accessories. But yeah, that is it for this video. Oh my gosh, my hair is horrible. Let me just change that real quick. This one? I don't know. Let's just use this one. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.